former mayor of Amityville, sued for sex discrimination and retaliation. The people who appear in this attorney advertising video are actors and not the actual parties. Past results are not a guarantee of future results. Descriptions and summaries about prior cases are intended to provide information about the firm's activities and experience and should not be understood as a guarantee or assurance of future success in any matter. A male maintenance worker's life took a dark turn when he was forced into bizarre and degrading tasks by a former mayor of Amityville, New York. Employed by RCI Industries, he was often instructed to report to the owner's home, where things got strange. From early morning to late evening, he was pressured by Peter T. Imbert to perform duties far beyond his job description. As Chris Harris reported in the New York Post, Imbert, the former mayor, summoned him to play pool, shoot geese on the property, and watch Imbert's bikini-clad teens play in the pool. In a surprising revelation, Imbert had a secret room containing illegal weapons, including AK-47s and AR-15s, according to the article. The New York Post described how the workers' tasks became more disturbing, such as buying cat food and antifreeze so Imbert could poison stray cats, and keeping Imbert's home and pool house stocked with vape pens, beer, and other essentials, even taking care of his cars and shoveling snow. As reported by James Gordon in the Daily Mail, the lawsuit reveals a workplace ruled by fear and intimidation, with Imbert manipulating and degrading his employees. The law office of David H. Rosenberg, P.C. is fighting for justice, seeking maximum fines and punitive damages for the severe hostility endured. Don't let powerful employers intimidate you into silence. Call 516-741-0300 or visit EmployeeLawNewYork.com today to learn how we can help you fight for justice. The law office of David H. Rosenberg, P.C. Problems at work are no problem for us.